Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bubbly. Today in our video what we're going to see is that you see my hair, it's become so dry and so very bad, in a very bad shape. So what I'm going to do to my hair is that I'm going to strip all the color. Actually I have a salt and pepper hair, so my husband has been behind me saying that I should color my hair. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to strip away all the colors because the kind of color I put up, it doesn't look good. So I'm going to strip off my color and I'm going to put a fresh color. So I'm going to show you as how I'm going to do it and what products I'm going to use. So after this, I'm going to do, after stripping off the color, I'm going to do some hair treatment so that my hair doesn't feel go dry. So let's get to the video. So guys, here we go. So I've got my blonde powder and I've got my bowl and my brush and I have this Streaks developer, right? So let's see as let's go ahead and start mixing this up. So let's start mixing. So I've got 2 packets of it right now and I'm going to add the developer. That looks so nice, blue. I've not added this packet, I've just kept it in case I need it, then I'll add it. Some more. Okay, this is ready. So let's start with the application. So guys, I'm ready to get color. Now you can see it in bright light, right? See the way the color is, it's so dirty. So I'm going to strip it. So I'm ready with my gloves. So let's start the application. See guys, I've done the application. Can you notice it started to change colors? So I'll have to retain the heat, otherwise the color will not change. So I'm putting up a shower cap so that the heat remains and it strips off all the color in my hair. Yep. Alright. So let's see after 1 hour. Yeah. So guys, it's 1 hour. So let's check. Yay! So it's done. So let me wash my hair and come and show you. Yeah. Hi guys, see, I've stripped all the color from all the color that I had. I've stripped it off. This is the best I could do. I was expecting the same blonde all over. I know I look like a I don't know what to say. I look like say a ghost in all the ghost movies. I look weird. I know that. So what I'm gonna do is that I want to apply brown color. So I bought this. I was told that you know, this VIP is really good, and I've bought what color is this? I brought brown in color. So I'm gonna apply this. They say that uh, it can be applied for head, mustache, beard, chest, and hands. I guess it can be applied anywhere. It can be applied with bare, wet hands, but I'm not going to take a chance. I'm going to use gloves. And this is only 51 rupees, guys. I hope you can see it. It's only 51 rupees. So I thought I'm gonna. The earlier color that I put up was a burgundy. It was really bad. It was not looking really good. So that is why I had to strip off all the color. And this is the end result of stripping off all the color. It looks weird. I look like a black foreigner. I don't know why I said that. Well, I look like a foreigner, or I look like a person who is behaving like a foreigner. Okay, so this, I have opened it, and the sachet has got the instructions and a glove and the ingredient, right? So I'm going to use that. I already have gloves. The previous one I used, so I'm going to use this. So let me show you this how I'm going to use it. I need to find a scissors. So I've cut it, guys. So I'm going to use it in a bowl. Looks nice, golden color. I don't think this will be enough for my hair. So it's going to give me a dark brown in color. So what I'm going to do is, I don't think this will be enough for my hair, guys. It stripped all the hair color, right? So I need more. So I've got one more. I'm going to put that also together. So guys, I've poured 2 packets. So you can see it's turning dark. It was golden. So let me wear my gloves. Wearing both my gloves. They say that it doesn't stick to the skin, so it only sticks to the hair. So let's try. Alright, there you go. I'm mixing it. It's got a nice smell, guys. It smells really good. I can't place this. What smell is that? Alright. Here we go. So guys, I have applied it. 2 packets were not enough, so I used 4. 4 of this I've used. So this is shampoo base. So let's see, after 10 minutes I'm supposed to wash. Let me wash and I'll let you know. So hi guys, it's been 10 minutes. I think it's done. So let me go wash my hair and come and I'll show you as how it looks. Yeah. Hi guys, so I've colored my hair. I think this come out really good. I like the result. My hair is still dry, so I'll wait till it's dry on its own. I don't use dryers, guys. So I think it has done a good job. Don't you think? So I think it is a success. I stripped all the color and I recolored my hair. I think it looks really nice. So I'm going out for dinner with my hubby. So see you next time, guys, with another video. I'll come and meet you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon and stay beautiful, guys. Bye bye.